오케이 오케이 오케이. 오케이 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 오케이. 오케이. 오케이 오케이.
Hey, oh, I'm sorry. Okay. Ngaji banyak tak banyak. Okay.
오케이 let's go.
Whoa.
오케이 let's go.
Whoa.
오, 됐어? 오케이. Let's go. There you go.
Whoa.
오케이, 오케이.
오케이, 오케이, 오케이. 오케이.
Wow!
오케이, 오케이. 렛고, 렛고.
Oh no! Yeah, aha! Okay, okay, okay.
Hey, 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 hey.
Oh my gosh!
Oh no!
Help me! Hello! Huh?
Hey, 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 hey. Blah, 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 blah.
오케이, 오케이, 오케이. 오, 오케이. 헤이, 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 헤이.
Hey, 콩, 태, 하, 오케이, 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 오케이. 오케이, 렛고, 렛고.
Oh no.
오, 오케이, 오케이, 오케이. 잘하고 잘하고
오케이, 오케이. 대변, 대변.
Wow!
Bye.
Oh no!
Take care, take care.
Okay, let's go.
Oh no, oh no.
Oh no! Help! Help! Help me! Help!
Okay, let's go.
Hello, hello, hello.
Hey, yeah. Hey, yeah. Hey, yeah.
Hey, oh, wait. There's still some fruit left. It all has to be moved. Bye-bye.
Train departs to deliver goods. Wonder what's waiting for the train. Nearby, there is a cave. A crocodile crawled out. Oh, it's ferocious. The train is coming. God, the train crashes into the rocks. The train falls on its side. Fruits are scattered on the ground. It takes a train car of fruits away. What does the crocodile want?
Please, I need help.
Okay, let's
Spider
go.
quickly drives the excavator to rescue the train. What? I'll be right there. Hurry up, Hulk. Don't delay anymore.
No.
Finally, Spider arrived. Spider, too slow. The excavator pulls the train car of fruit out of the cave. Now, it is necessary to raise the train and put it on the rails. Oh, it's so dangerous. The crocodile hits the excavator hard, making Spider surprised.
Oh Oh no!
Huh? What is that? Spider quickly pushed large rocks that temporarily blocked the cave entrance. Necessary now is to save Train from danger.
Okay, wait.
Come. Let's go, quickly! Spider controls the excavator and launches a blow straight into the cave. Now, we have to block the cave entrance, causing the crocodile to panic and retreat. At the same time, Hulk tries to take big rocks. What are they for?
Okay, let's go.
At the cave entrance, Hulk dumps all the rocks down. Next is cement. It seemed like they want to fill in the cave entrance. Big rocks are stacked on top of each other, very sturdy. Fixed with cement. The cave entrance has been sealed. The crocodile will not be able to crawl out, causing danger.
We're done. Let's go.
Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Oh? Oh.
Hey. Okay. Okay, let's go.
Wait. Okay.
Okay, let's go.
Hey, stop!
Okay, let's go.
Okay, let's go, let's go.
Stop it! Go, 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 go!
And away we go!
Go, 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 go! Oh, yes!
Wow!
Go, 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 go! Oh my gosh! Hey! Help! Help me! Help! Help me! Help! Help me! Help! Help me! Help!
Oh no!
Help! Help me! Help! Help me!
Oh no!
Go, 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 go!
A few moments later.
Hey! Oh my gosh! Hey! 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 Ouch!
배터리 좀 가가가.
Okay, okay, let's go. Hey, long time. Okay, okay. Okay, okay, let's go. Okay, okay, let's go.
Hey,
Okay, okay, let's go. Okay, okay, let's go.
Oh, hello! A delicious and fresh fruit garden.
Oh!
Mario is watering his fruit garden.
Oh, no!
Oh, what are you doing? Just skipping a bit.
Stop it! Why?
Oh, my garden!
Did Hawk destroy Mario's fruit garden? It's unbelievable! This joke's not fun at all, Hawk! Where is Hawk going? Be careful! Oh my god! Due to driving too fast, Hawk caused a serious accident. Driving fast is very dangerous. You may find it amusing, but others don't. It's annoying.
Oh, I'm sorry. Give me a chance to fix it.
Remember to go slowly.
I know.
Goodbye! Hawk's driving seems slower now, but where is Hawk going?
Okay, okay, let's go.
Oh, hello!
I need signal lights and speed bumps.
Okay, okay, okay.
This is all Hawk needs. Oh, he also needs cement. start. Hawk returns to the railway crossing. This is probably the signal light socket. Speed bump. The road becomes safer.
Okay, okay, let's go.
Hopefully, Hawk will learn a lesson.